In the world of project management, a Gantt chart is a timeless tool. It's a visual roadmap that lays out a project schedule, showing tasks, their timelines, and the dependencies between them. For any project manager, the ability to create and manage a Gantt chart is fundamental to success. So, when a business is evaluating a modern work management platform like Smartsheet, a critical question inevitably arises. Does Smartsheet support Gantt charts for project scheduling? As an expert in accounting software and project management, I can tell you with certainty. Yes, Smartsheet has robust and dynamic support for Gantt charts. In fact, this feature is one of Smartsheet's core strengths and a key reason why it is so widely adopted for project management across various industries. Smartsheet doesn't just offer a static Gantt chart view. It provides a highly interactive and integrated solution that links directly to your project data. The Smartsheet philosophy, from spreadsheet to Gantt. The brilliance of Smartsheet's approach to Gantt charts lies in its foundation, the spreadsheet. Smartsheet combines the familiar, user-friendly interface of a spreadsheet with powerful project management functionalities. This means that you don't build a Gantt chart from scratch as a separate entity. You build your project schedule in a sheet, and Smartsheet automatically generates the Gantt chart view for you. Here's how this process works and why it's so effective. Data-driven Gantt charts. To create a Gantt chart in Smartsheet, you start by setting up a sheet with key columns for your project plan. These columns typically include task name, a list of all your project's tasks, milestones, and phases, start date and end date. These are the two essential date columns that define the duration of each task. Duration. Smartsheet can automatically calculate this for you based on the start and end dates. Predecessors. This is a crucial column for establishing task dependencies. By simply entering the row number of a task that must be completed before another can start, you create a visual link on the Gantt chart. Percent complete. This column tracks the progress of each task and is visually represented as a shaded portion of the taskbar on the chart. Assigned to. This column allows you to assign tasks to specific team members. Instant visualization. Once you've populated these columns, you can simply switch to the Gantt view with a single click. Smartsheet immediately transforms your data into a clear, professional Gantt chart with taskbars, milestones, and dependency arrows. Key features of Smartsheet's Gantt charts. Smartsheet's Gantt charts are far from basic. They are packed with features that empower project managers to plan, track, and report on projects effectively. Task dependencies. This is a cornerstone of modern project scheduling. Smartsheet allows you to easily link tasks to show dependencies. If a predecessor task's date changes, Smartsheet automatically adjusts the dates of all dependent tasks, saving you from a manual domino effect of updates. This is an incredibly powerful feature for managing schedules in a dynamic environment. Critical path. Smartsheet can automatically highlight the critical path of your project. This is the sequence of tasks that must be completed on time for the entire project to finish on schedule. By visualizing the critical path, project managers can prioritize essential tasks and focus on potential bottlenecks. Baselines. A baseline is a snapshot of your original project plan. Smartsheet allows you to set a baseline to compare your current progress against your initial plan. This is invaluable for tracking schedule variance and accurately reporting on project performance. Hierarchical task management. Smartsheet's spreadsheet structure makes it easy to organize tasks into a hierarchy with parent and child rows. On the Gantt chart, parent rows become summary bars that reflect the start, end, and duration of all the subtasks beneath them. This provides a clear, high-level view of project phases without losing the detail of individual tasks. Interactive drag and drop. You can directly manipulate the Gantt chart to make changes to your schedule. Need to extend a task's duration? Simply drag the end of its taskbar. Need to move a task to a different week? Drag the entire bar to the new dates. The sheet data automatically updates to reflect these changes. Conditional formatting. Just as you would in a spreadsheet, you can use conditional formatting to apply different colors or icons to your Gantt chart taskbars based on specific criteria. For example, you can automatically turn a taskbar red if a task is overdue or green if it's on track. This provides an instant visual cue for project status. Collaboration and sharing. Like all Smartsheet views, The Gantt chart is a collaborative, real-time tool. You can share your sheet with stakeholders, allowing them to view the Gantt chart and track progress. You can also export the chart to an image or PDF for presentations and reports. The role of Gantt charts in project scheduling with Smartsheet. For a project manager, using a Gantt chart in Smartsheet is more than just a visualization. It's a strategic part of the scheduling process. Clarity and transparency. The Gantt chart provides a clear visual timeline that all team members and stakeholders can understand, regardless of their project management expertise. This transparency reduces confusion and ensures everyone is on the same page regarding timelines and deadlines. Proactive planning. The ability to visualize dependencies and the critical path helps project managers identify risks and potential delays before they happen. It allows for proactive planning and resource allocation to keep the project on track. Effective reporting. Baselines and the ability to track % complete make reporting on project performance straightforward. You can easily show executives and clients how the project is progressing relative to the initial plan. Easy adjustments. In a real-world project, things rarely go according to the initial plan. Smartsheet's dynamic Gantt chart allows for quick and easy adjustments, with automatic recalculations that save a tremendous amount of time and effort.